Alright, well, as you can tell, it's been raining. New tires on. Have the fenders on. I think that little knobby. That tread's not showing. This is like those old, the Shwinn tread. I want to change the handlebars. I have new pedals, but I don't have them on yet. This has been working well. There's something I didn't point out. I took this out and put a couple tablespoons inside there. A couple tablespoons of chain oil, like bar chain oil for chainsaws, so it'll stick on the shaft and the bearing and it didn't leak out. Of course, I greased that. I put the solids. Oh, there's my little trailer hitch. I need to take these baskets off and repaint them come spring, but I'm putting a new derailleur on it. That one's been broken. I just have it wedged into a low gear just so I can pedal. I've only shifted with this up here when the bike broke. I tested. I only had to do a quarter turn on the head bolts yesterday. Wow, it got dirty, but like I said, I just put these put the fenders on yesterday. I'm going to drill and put a clamp here, but it's been raining all day, so I didn't do squat. But CDH power fiberglass, or not fiberglass, carbon fiber reeds. Works pretty well. Stock exhaust. I have another poo-poo pipe I'll be putting on. But as I said before, I wanted to break it in with all stock. This is the 1 gallon tank. I don't know if you can see those. Those are actually brake caps for putting on the brake pads. It's the only way I could do it. I took the studs that held an old molder on the back, because these are 8mm, but I just took the studs and bolts and put those in there. I think that'll do for the winter. I broke one of the blinkers when it fell over. That's what this is. There's a button you could push and the blinker stuck out just an inch. Had a plastic ring on it. Worked pretty well. This is that nice spring-loaded seat post. And one heck of a spring-loaded memory foam seat. I hope you all have a good year. I'm closing this one out with just a quick review. 100cc does pretty well. 52mm piston. I guess it's a 38mm stroke. But boy, did it want to rev the other day. Well, take care. Have a good year.